Namaste children, welcome back. I hope everyone are doing good and safe also. Yes, so in this session I am going to tell a wonderful story to you all. What is that story? Any idea children? Yes, I'll tell you. Most of them they don't know this story, but if you know few of them know means it is very good. Yes, I'll tell you that story. Before going to the name of the story, just I want to discuss one incident what I observed few years ago. Yes, I went to my village. There I saw some birds are flying in a particular shape in the sky. So I was wondered, so why these birds are flying in this particular shape, and who guided these birds to fly? What is the reason? Why can't alone it can fly? So I was wondered, but I didn't get the reason for this. Then after some days I came to know why these birds are flying in this particular shape. What is the benefit for that? Yes, that story only I am going to discuss with you all today. Okay, children. The name of the story is Flight of Swans. What is that? Flight of Swans. 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 Okay, children. You all know what is a swan. It is a bird. Okay, now I'm going to start a story. So most of the swans, not most of the swans, mostly swans will fly in the sky in the shape of V. Why? So you might think that why these birds are flying in a V shape. Yes, earlier nobody knew the reason for this, why it is, but now science has given the mystery of this story. Okay, children, now I'll tell you. So, when one swan starts opening the wing and move to fly at the sky, so the other swan also start flying to the sky. Okay, so why these swans are flying one by one in a group? Yes, so if a single swan fly on the sky, it will not get the energy. If a group of swan flying in the sky in the V shape, it will get the efficiency of speed 71% compared to a one swan fly in the sky. So now you could have understand that why the swans are flying in the group. Not only swan, most of the birds will fly in the groups. It's taken as an example. Swan will fly in the V shape. Okay, children. So it will fly in the V shape. Okay, yes, so if the swans are flying in the V shape, it will get the speed. Okay, how much speed? Yes, 71% speed will be more compared to a swan one which is flying in the sky. That is why all together they are flying in the sky. Okay, children, not only one thing, so many good things are there with the swans. What are those? Yes, so now I am going to tell one more interesting thing. Yes, what is that? Once the swans start flying, so there will be a leader for that group. What is that? Yes, I'll tell you why. So the leader who is taking a charge, so that bird will fly in the front, then all the swan will follow the leader. Okay, children. Yes, so in this one wonderful thing you can see, once the leader gets tired, what happened? Yes, the leader who is taking charge gets tired means slowly it will close the wing and the swan will slowly come back. The next swan which is back of that leader take a charge as a leader and forward the group. Okay, children, can you understand? See how wonderful it is. Yes, so the leader, first leader, if he gets tired, then slowly it will close the wings and it will come back, and the swan which is next to that leader take a charge to take over that group. Okay children, yes, and one more interesting thing, if the swan is moving one by one means the swan which is flying back of the swan will produce a particular music. That music helps to motivate the swan which is flying in the front. The same way, one by one, it is creating a music, then it will motivate each and every one. Okay, children. So, with this motivation, the swan will fly. Okay, children. Yes. So, the same way, one more interesting thing I will tell you. Suppose if the swan wants to fly alone, if the swan wants to fly alone in the sky, so what the swan will feel means soon it will feel tired and feeling stress and resistance with this air, so the swan can't fly. Okay children, yes, so if he wants to fly alone also, he can't fly for a long distance because it feels tired, stress and also resistance. That is what the swans are not get down from the group. Always it is flying along with the group. Okay, wonderful, right? Yes, children. So this is how all the swans will make a group and fly in the sky. Okay children, yes, and one more interesting thing I will tell you. This, like this, I can tell you one example. Same way, if I give you one work to you or one person, it may take time. Suppose if I add some more kids to you to complete that particular task, you may complete fast, is it? So if you are doing in group, you can complete the task by a given time. If alone, if you want to do, it takes a time. The same way here also, if once one can't fly in the sky, if you are taking more swan, so most of the swan flying at a time, then it will get a speed of 71 percentage compared to the one swan flying in the sky. Yes, children. And one more interesting thing I will tell you. Yes, you can see here carrying also how the swans are carrying each other. Yes. So while flying, if any birds got any hurt, then slowly that swan will come down. Yes, how taking care each other. This. The swan while flying, if he got any hurt, the swan slowly comes down. Okay, so along with the swan, so two more swan comes down immediately to take care of the swan. How? Yes, so till the swan recover back or he dies, till that time this swan will be with the swan which the swan got hurt. Okay, so once the swan completely recover or he dies, then the two swans so start to join with their own group, or it may join with the other group which is flying in the sky. This is how the swan are taking care each other. Yes, wonderful thing, right? Yes, even we should take care each and every one. So those who knows, those who close to you, either in your family or your friends or your neighbors or your relatives, whomever it is, if they are not well, so if they need any help, we have to help it, we have to take care of them. Yes children, this is how the swan is having a intelligence with it. Yes, so the nature itself given the intelligence of the swan. From the swan we can learn so many things. Okay, so now I am going to tell you the moral of the story. What is the moral we can tell? Yes, so many moral we can tell with this story. Yes, first moral is teamwork. Yes, if you do a teamwork, always you can succeed. Alone if you do any work, it takes a time or you can't achieve the goal. Suppose If you do as a teamwork, you can achieve. Okay, children. Then second one is power of unity. You all know unity. Unity means what? So joining together. Yes. So whomever it is, you should not fight with anyone. Always you should be unity. Yes, power of unity we can learn how hundreds of swans are flying together in the sky, and back to back they are producing a music to motivate the swan which is flying friend. The same way, so you can motivate your friends also. Okay, children. Yes, this is the moral of the story, Flight of Swan. Okay, so always complete your goal with the teamwork. Always be unite with anyone. So don't get divert from anyone. You will feel alone. Yes, so this is what I want to tell you today, children. Yes, take care, be safe. We will meet you in the next session. Bye bye, children.